Today, let's take a look at how to paint a tomato. First, the basic shape. Outline the basic features of the tomato. The volume feature of the tomato, with its top and bottom halves, must be expressed clearly when painting the tomato leaves. There's no need to focus on the exact shape. Just express the direction of the leaves' movement. Then, move on to the specific shape. Draw the light and dark boundary lines and the projection lines of the tomato. While drawing, follow the outer contour and structure lines. When establishing the projection shape, pay attention to the variations in the projection shape. Next, move to the coloring stage. Unify the dark areas first. The dark layers under the tomato leaves should also be fully painted. Don't forget to use side strokes when applying color. Once the dark areas are fully done, add the light gray tones. When painting the light gray tones for the tomato, follow the growth direction of the tomato and consider the structure and edge line changes. Think about the volume when laying down the colors. Once the coloring is complete, move on to the smudging step. Fold the tissue into a triangle. First, smudge the light and dark boundary lines of the object. Finally, reshape the dark areas. We must make sure the dark areas are fully developed before moving on to the light gray areas. This rule always applies. Then, shape the light gray areas of the tomato. Use your brush following the structure, considering the volume. When shaping the back petals of the tomato, don't make the brushwork too clear. Finally, shape the tomato leaves. Did you learn?